What is it, Mandy? What's the matter?
My daddy hurts me.
What?
He touches me like that, there.
Mandy, what are you talking about?
He makes me touch him and he does things to me.
Mandy?
It hurts, Mommy. It hurts me.
Mandy?
It hurts. It scares me.
Yeah. Why don't you sit over on that side? I'll sit here. Do you like dolls, Mandy?
I have $11 at home. Spare Ribs is my favorite. He's a dog.
We have some very special dolls over there. I don't think you've ever seen anything like them. Do you know why they're special? Because underneath their clothes, they have parts of their body just like we do. And they help kids talk about their problems with grown-ups. Would you like to take a look?
Yes.
Go ahead. All right, these two right over here. Right here.
This is the daddy dolly.
Now, why would you call that one the daddy dolly?
Because he has what my daddy has.
I need to understand a little more what happened at your daddy's house when he touched your private parts. Do you think you could help me with that?
Okay.
Can you show me on the girl dolly where he touched you?
Here.
Did he touch you on top of your clothing or underneath?
With no clothes.
And what did he touch you with?
His finger.
I'm sorry that happened to you, Mandy. I'd like to help you. Did he touch you there with anything else?
Yes.
Did he hurt you?
Yes, I was crying.
Did you ask him to stop?
Yes, I wanted to go home. But Mommy kept sending me.
There is vaginal scarring to the posterior fourchette. The hymenal opening is enlarged 2.5 times the normal size for a child of Mandy's age. The rounded, distorted hymenal orifice I found is an indication of chronic, ongoing abuse.
Just one more question, Doctor. When you examined Mandy, did she tell you of any sexual abuse that took place?
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
Your Honor, when a child comes into a hospital with a broken bone, the doctor has an obligation to find out how it happened.
I will allow it.
Thank you. Dr. Garfield, did you ask Mandy if anyone hurt her or touched her in the area where she was scarred?
Yes, I did.
And what did she tell you?
She said it was her father.
Thank you. No further questions?
Dr. Garfield, you're a pediatrician, correct?
That is correct. Although as chief of pediatrics, my private practice is limited. At the hospital, I deal with all areas of pediatric medicine.
Including child abuse?
Yes.
Dr. Garfield, have you ever had a child make up a story to you?
I'm not sure I understand the question.
If a child is in a particularly stressful situation, extremely rancorous divorce, for example, has a child ever told you that a parent did something only for you to discover that it was a child's fabrication?
Well, children under stress can and do make things up.
The kind of stress caused by a very contentious divorce, say?
Yes, that has happened. But in this case,
And
I would...
is it physically impossible for Mandy Colton to have inflicted such injuries to herself?
No, it's not impossible. She could have done it to herself, but it's
You've
not...
seen it before, then, in other cases?
Yes.
Then you cannot say with any certainty that what Mandy says about her father is the truth.
No, but one must make judgments about
No
statements...
further questions, Your Honor.
Mandy suffers from post-traumatic stress disorder. She has flashbacks brought on by uncontrollable fear and the beginnings of multiple personality disorder. In one of our sessions, she pointed to the genital area of an anatomical doll, and then she showed me how her father forced her to commit oral...
Objection. It's hearsay, Your Honor. And the child could have been rehearsed or coached.
You can coach a child to say words, but not how to react emotionally.
Overruled. You may continue, Mr. Sheldon.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Mr. Chilton, your witness.
Dr. Townsend, are you familiar with the Dr. Alan Redeker?
Yes, I am. He's a very well-known and highly respected psychiatrist.
Dr. Redeker examined the same child for the same reasons and found no evidence to support the diagnosis of sexual abuse on the part of Mandy's father. Do you have any insights or thoughts as to how two professional people like yourselves might differ so widely on something like that?
No, sir, I don't.
I've been a social services caseworker for 12 years. I've been assigned to the sexual battery team for 8.
Over those years, you've interviewed how many children who had been sexually abused?
Hundreds, maybe thousands.
During your interview with Mandy, did you notice anything unusual about the child or in the manner in which she spoke to you?
Well, I wouldn't call it unusual. I see it a lot. It was my impression the little girl was coached. I think it's possible that she was told by her mother to say she was sexually abused.
On what basis did you make the judgment that Mandy was coached in her statements?
Inflections, attitudes, it's just a professional judgment. After you've seen as many of these cases as I have.
Yes, thousands. I think you mentioned that. Let me ask you this. Have you ever been wrong in your professional judgment about a child's statement regarding sexual abuse?
Objection, Your Honor. This is a qualified professional witness.
We've all been wrong on occasion.
So for the record, your belief that Mandy was coached in her statements is nothing more than a hunch. A hunch that has been proved wrong on past occasions. No more questions.
The critical question here is not only one of sexual abuse, but whether or not the child's father is responsible. In order to deny Mr. Colton his visitation rights, the court must be convinced. At this point, however, the weight of substantiated evidence is insufficient to make such a determination. The court is therefore unwilling at this time to deny the father his visitation with his child without some compelling evidence of his involvement.
But, Your Honor, can't you see what you're doing to my child? You admit there's a reasonable chance that there has been sexual abuse.
Please be seated, madam.
No, please hear me. There's a doubt in your mind. You said so yourself. I beg you, please, give the benefit of that doubt to my child.
Mrs. Colton, counselor,
give the
please
benefit
control your
of that
client,
doubt to my child.
Mrs. Colton, please.
Give the benefit of that
Please
doubt to my
control your
child.
client, counselor. Mrs.
No,
Colton.
please give the
Mrs.
benefit
Colton,
of that
please.
doubt to my child.
Therefore, motion made by the petitioner to deny the defendant father's visitation with his daughter is denied.
I won't send her to be abused again.
You have to let her go.
No, I am not going to send her back with him, Howard.
You have to, Jen.
No!
At least for now, you have no choice.
Please, just take her. Take her.
What did you do to her?
Nothing. I swear it. She's been screaming for hours. She woke up like that. I didn't know what to do.
What did you do to her?
Not a thing. I swear.
No, what did you do to her? Look! You bastard! No, Nora, no. He kept on saying, you have no proof. You've got to have proof. Oh, God, Nora, I don't know. I don't know what to do anymore. Walt's due to pick her up tomorrow. And if I refuse, I can't, Nora. It's a court order. I've got to hand her over to him, and there's nothing I can do about it. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Nora. I'll call you later. Yeah, thank God I've got you to talk to. Yeah. No, it's okay. I'll manage. Yeah, okay. Thanks. Bye. Andy, where are you?
Jennifer? 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 Mandy?
Go away!
What happened to Mandy?
Nothing. Go away!
No, I told Frank she cut her arm. I want to see her.
It's over, Walt. You're not seeing anymore. You hear me? It's over. I'm not gonna let you hurt her anymore.
You heard the judge. I have a right to be in. Let me in there. Oh. Jennifer, open this door. Jennifer! I'm not leaving. Jennifer! Open
Open this door!
Madam, did you understand the court order regarding the visitation rights between your daughter and her father?
No, Your Honor, I don't understand the order. My child's life is at stake. The Crispin Center needs a certain amount of time to properly evaluate Mandy without her father present.
Mrs. Colton, I understand the depth of your concern for your daughter's welfare. Believe me, I have children of my own. But the guidelines of the Crispin Center is not the issue here. This is a court of law. Now, I must ask you again. Are you going to comply with the orders given?
Not unless a reasonable period of time is given to the Crispin Center to properly evaluate Mandy without her father present.
Mrs. Colton, perhaps you don't understand. I cannot let you dictate the rulings of this court. A judgment has been made, and you must abide.
Your Honor, my client means no disrespect.
I'm sure she doesn't, Mr. Felden, but the ruling stands. Now, I'm going to give you one last opportunity to indicate that you understand this decision. Will you obey the court ruling? I have no other choice but to find you in civil contempt and send you to the county jail, where it is hoped you will reflect more favorably upon the orders of this court. Bailiff, please take charge of the prisoner.
Howard?
Your Honor, please, is this necessary?
Mrs. Mira, where is the child now?
Your Honor, the child is spending the weekend
Your Honor,
at
please.
a country home belonging to a Mr. and Mrs. Frank Harold.
Howard, what's happening?
Your Honor, please, reconsider your decision.
Sit down, Mr. Felden. When will she return?
Monday.
Mr. Colton's visitation rights will be carried out upon the child's return. Bailiff,
Excuse me, Your
please
Honor.
take the prisoner away.
Howard, no.
Your Honor,
Bailiff,
objection.
Howard, no.
take the prisoner out.
Howard, don't let me
Bailiff,
see Mandy.
remove the prisoner at once.
You aren't gonna see Mandy.
Objection, Your Honor.
This court is adjourned.
Stunham, please.
Guess you're right, counselor. Tell Judge Dunham I agree to his terms and get me out of here.
You understand those terms?
I'm listening.
1, you have to let Walt visit Mandy. 2, you can't remove her from the city or the state without the court's permission. 3, if you violate either of those conditions, you'd not only be in contempt, you could face a felony kidnapping charge.
Why don't they just shoot me at dawn?
He's gonna be watching you, Jen. My guess Walt's already hired a private detective to track your movements, hoping that you'll violate one of the orders.
Jen, I won't let you do this. You can't do this. I've got... Could you give me the bag? This is no answer at all. This is wrong. Nora, please. Look, Jen, you are not the criminal. Why should you be the one to run? This is your home. So, we'll find another. Where? How? Nora, you don't really expect me to answer that, do you? Do you really want me to? Look, I know it sounds simplistic, but running away is not the answer. It can't be. I didn't choose this, Nora. And do you think I want to give up everything I've ever known? Don't you think I've asked myself 1,000 times, could Mandy be mistaken about Walt? What if I'm wrong? I mean, what if it's something else? But I believe it. So it doesn't matter what anyone else says. It doesn't matter what the law says. I believe Mandy. And if I believe her, then there is no other choice. It's gonna be a wonderful adventure, you'll see.
I want you to come with me.
I know, honey, but I can't.
Why?
Well, I just can't. I've got something for you here. When Aunt Delaney sees this, she'll know it's you. Okay? And you'll always wear it.
Yes.
Okay, I'll see you in a couple days, Mandy. I love you, honey. I love you. Watch your fingers, honey. Bye. I love you. Bye. Bye. It'll be okay, baby. You'll see. Bye. Oh, God, please take care of my baby. Take care of my baby, please.
Do you understand that you are now facing a charge of felony kidnapping?
Yes, Your Honor, I understand.
And are you aware that your willingness to cooperate with this courtroom will direct